Welcome to JSTU. Today I will show you how to import different shapefiles in Google Earth Pro and how to explore different types of polygons as well as line features in Google Earth and how to visualize in the real terrain features and topographical features. So just go to File, Open. So you can, for example, my file is located in other. For example, you can select your file type, or simply you can select all files, or you can select the desired file types. But in my case, I will select is the shapefile. Yes, when you click is the shapefile, this the files for easily.sh extension will appear here. So let me add, for example, watershed stream. Yes, yes, okay, okay, stream, yes, yes, okay. You can change, go to tools, make this as 3-dimensional if it is not, but in my case it is 3-dimensional. That means you can see the real topographical features. Yes, you contrast to two-dimensional or planar surfaces. So this is the drainage systems or the streams delineated from watersheds. So let us make some amendments on symbology. Go to layers and colors, show style. Okay, color. Let me select this one. Okay, next one too. Okay, yes. Okay, you can select, you can amend. Yes. Great. So you can visualize what you done in ArcMap. Yes. You can visualize what you work in ArcMap or in other softwares by overlaying in Google Earth to compare your work. Is it true in the actual surface of the Earth? Yes. I am delineating or I am producing these streams in ArcGIS ArcMap, so it is perfectly aligned with the real topographical hydrological systems of the Earth when I verify on this surface using Google Earth. So let me import other, for example. Let me import this one. Okay, okay, okay. Boundary. This is a boundary. Yeah, I can make still some amendments. Yes, in the symbology, line color, area. I can make this one. Okay, yes, yes, this one. By this way, you can change. Yes, and you can verify your works by importing shapefiles in Google Earth. You don't need to convert the shapefiles in KML format in ArcGIS or in QuantumJS. Simply you can import as it is as shapefiles or other different types of formats. This Google's Pro supports many types of data formats, so you can use and you can integrate and you can verify. Usually, Google's Pro is usually used for verification, yes, and validation of GPS points, as well as other terrain and hydrological analysis performed in different softwares, including ArcGIS. So you can use visualize. This is what we have today. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe so that it motivates us to add more educational, more JS educational topics for this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.